We're solving problem 12. The figure above is composed of 25 small triangles that are congruent and equilateral. If the area of triangle DFH is 10, what is the area of triangle AFK? Okay, so let's break down this problem a bit. We know that the large triangle has 25 small triangles. Okay, and we also know that the triangles are, they're all equilateral and they're all congruent, meaning that all of these tiny triangles have the same angle measures, and so that means that the larger triangle is going to have the same angle measure because see this small triangle here? It's an equilateral triangle, meaning that it's a 60, 60, 60 triangle. All the angles are 60 degrees. That means that the angle of the entire large triangle is also 60 degrees because it's the point of this small triangle here. And that's the case for all these. All of these points, they all measure 60 degrees. So we're talking about equilateral triangles, so that means that they're all in proportion to one another. So what else do we know? The area of DFH, so let's mark DFH. It's this triangle here, is 10. Okay, so we know area equals 10. But what else do we know? We know that it has 4 small triangles, which we can see from the picture. So I'm going to write triangle equals 4. So all we want to know, if we look back at our question, is what is the area of AFK? So AFK is our big triangle. And we know the area of the smaller triangle. We know how many small triangles are there, and we know how many small triangles are in the big triangle. So all we're missing is the area of the big triangle. And since all of these are equilateral or similar triangles, then we can just create a proportion because all the sides should be in proportion to one another between the two triangles. And if you weren't aware of that, definitely review your properties of triangles and similar triangles. Okay, so we know we're going to do number of triangles. So the big triangle has 25 little triangles, and we're trying to find the area, so we're going to call that X. And then the little triangle, which is DFH, has, what are we talking about here? Okay, it has 4 small triangles and an area of 10. So we're just going to cross multiply here to do our proportions, and that gives us 4x equals 250. And if we divide that, we get x equals 62.5. And that is answer choice E. So the solution for this problem is very simple. You just need to recognize that we're talking about similar triangles and we can create that proportion.